We have some news just coming in at this point in time. This has got to do with the Prime Minister's clearest message to bully Trump. Will never let down farmers, is what the Prime Minister has said, saying that he's ready to pay a personal price for the same. It's a resounding, no compromise war cry from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Clearly, the gloves are off here. Modi hints at an all-out counter at US bullying. The American president particularly coming down heavily on India. India says we are ready to pay a huge price, but the interest of farmers comes first, says the Prime Minister. This has got to do with US being bitter about India not allowing access to agriculture, protecting the interest of our farmers, and that's the reason why things have worsened. Karishma is getting in more details on that story, but before that, let's take a listen.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
Interest of our farmers first. That's the word from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I'm going to go straight across to my colleagues Piyush Mishra and Karishma Sudani getting in more details on that big story at this point in time. First to you, Karishma. Give us an idea about how, for the longest time, US has been really trying, and there's no better way to put this, arm twist India into compromising with the interest of our farmers. What were our specific demands that we didn't agree to for then to be further bullied by Trump in this fashion? Karishma.
The US, since day one, has been asking greater market access, especially when it comes to goods pertaining to agriculture, that is rice, milk, maize, genetically organized, organic, genetically organic crops, and soya. Now, India has taken a very strong stance since the beginning that it's not going to let its domestic farmers, domestic industry be impacted, because the minute you give that wider access and you let that happen, then there is going to be an issue with the way our systems and policies have been working, especially surround agriculture. So it's a very politically sensitive move that we are taking. Of course, our country is sticking its neck out in order to take a strong and firm stand of the fact that we are okay to absorb 50% tariff, but we are not okay to let go of something that we've been building on for years. Let's not forget, when it comes to data, about 18 to 20% of our GDP comes from agriculture. So we clearly will not be able to let that go. We cannot have that access, that market access cut down. And the fact that we've been building on the whole concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat and self-reliance, this will not be taken in good stride for us domestically if we have to budge into US demands.
Piyush also is with us. Karishma, continue to be with us. Piyush, this is the Prime Minister's reiteration. Obviously, it also comes at a time when the government is under a fair amount of spotlight, with the opposition waiting for one small opportunity for the government to take any decision which would be against our farmers, and hence the government is taking this position that the interest of farmers comes first, isn't it?
Well, that's right, Sneha. The government has once again made it very clear that the interest of farmers comes first, and this is a stand which the government has been taking since the time US announced that it is going to impose tariffs. Remember that in the last few months, there are multiple negotiations those have taken place between India and America, in which America always wanted India to import a few products like non-veg, milk, GM crops, on which what we are told from our sources within the government that we are not going to import any kind of non-veg milk because not only the religious sentiments will be hurt, but it is also going to hurt our farmers economically, and that's what the Prime Minister is also highlighting, that okay, he's ready to pay a huge price for that, but for PM Narendra Modi, the interest of farmers comes first. And that's what he has once again highlighted. Remember that he was speaking during a program in which multiple organizations of farmers were also present, and in front of farmers himself, Prime Minister has highlighted that the interest of farmers is very, very important and it is paramount, and that's the stand which the government has been taking, and once again Prime Minister has reiterated this.